I still got the cap boom. I am determined to get that perfect sound. So every time I open a bottle, until I get the sound, I'll film it. This might be a collage video. Alright, well, here we go. It worked to open the bottle, but clearly no pop. Alright, a couple more tries with the bottle opener. I've got to hear it. I got to hear that pop noise. I want it. So, try again. We got two tries here. Actually, you know what? I'll do a little shake up, build up that pressure. Here we go. All right, I can dig it. All right, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with that. But I have another one here, so we're gonna try it again anyway. I brought it out too because I did not have any confidence. That's what I wanted to hear. Nice loud pop. Went flying across the room, which I have to go find. I don't know exactly where it went. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe the trick is just a little bit of a shake. Little shake. Even if this doesn't work for some reason, I'm good with that. Awesome! Whoa, whoa, hello. Starting to foam up a little. Okay, so maybe that's the trick. Little shake. Spilling it now here. Little shake of the bottle to build up pressure. Thank you to all the people who gave me that tip. Cheers. That was pretty satisfying. Twice in a row. So it does work. You just got to build up some carbonation. Someone else mentioned too that maybe the twist tops don't work as well. You need the pop tops. I forget. I think actually these look like twist tops. There's threading on these. So whatever. Just shook it a little bit. Got that very satisfying pop. So total redemption there. Wonderful. That's it for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a more entertaining video. I had to do a redemption on this thing. I had to use this until it worked as advertised, because if you guys saw the commercial for this thing, I'm sure the sound was dubbed in, but every time, make this nice pop sound. That definitely worked, and it did go flying. I have a roof in here. It's a covered porch, but had I not had the roof, I hit the roof straight up, so it would have went flying somewhere. But yeah, now I got to go find both caps. I'll call it a night. Have a good one, guys. See you tomorrow with a new video. Take care.